Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the 1 hour chart because of course this is an intraday video. We're gonna dive a little bit deeper what happened and what could happen on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. So starting here on the 1 hour, as we said in the daily, we have double 1-2 probably. Your second 1-2 here has hit perfectly the 0.38 fib level for a wave 2. Meaning we would like, of course, to move for higher prices from this price and moving impulsively. However, as we said as well, there is a potential as well of a bearish small short-term signal here where you have a probability 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, after looking a little bit for higher prices, now we see, of course, again, a little bit lower price. If we would dive a little bit deeper on the 15-minute chart, we can see that this higher prices is anyway impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and giving us again a small wave 1, 2, of course, triggers this move toward the upside as an impulsive wave 3. So basically, I would say preferably that we don't take the low. If we take the low again, the 0.38 fib level now, of course, then this is a very clear signal that we might be at least in a zigzag, 3 waves toward the downside, or in an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Only if we take the low again, of course, where it is below the 0.38 fib level. And by the way, of course, if you move lower, that means we're gonna take probably 0.5, and as we said, if we range a little bit more sideways or lower than this trend line that here, we can start to lose momentum, right? So you don't want to see this if you are bullish, of course, and losing momentum, because of course this will bring us to something probably else, because if we have a 1-2 here and then another 1-2, your wave 2, you don't want to see it going longer than your first 1-2, right? You want to keep it in a sharp way toward the upside. Well, we're gonna watch and see, of course, watch this target, watch the low here if we get it. Therefore, I suggest that we might move, of course, in lower prices for the next few hours and, of course, to be reanalyzed. Now, if we take a look at KGT as well, so as we can see on the KGT 5-minute chart, we have a bearish signal in the top, which is in convergence with the previous signal, and we are as well at the same time in a divergence towards the upside. But however, this has been already played. Now, if we get a little bit weaker signal to get much more information, we can see, of course, that there is no really good divergence for the bullish signals here, but rather that is kind of also, even for the bearish here are not working. So I would say it's a little bit sideways range here, targeting this price, right? But it gives a little bit much higher possibility for the bearish, because of course even sideways, as we said, it might lose the momentum. Once we lose the momentum, then you want to find another scenario which it might, of course, move the price up toward the upside or the downside. And of course, once losing momentum means, of course, moving towards the downside, probably to trigger something else. So basically, we don't want to hit the 0.38 anymore or take the low. We want to move toward the upside, especially on the 15-minute, where we are looking probably to a 1-2. Now, it can be also possible a zigzag and still moving toward the downside in a 1-2, again 3, 4, and a 5. So be careful with it. We are not very, very bullish yet. Our signal, of course, perfect signal would be exactly this price action for bullish. I know it might sound a little bit high, but I mean, this is the thing. Always I say 5 waves up, 3 waves down, in continuation, breaking this high and as a confirmation for higher. And of course, from 106 to 130 is an awesome trade, right? So that was it for Bitcoin. Actually, let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Of course, I'm gonna update you also with a short at the closing day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.